Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today in this video we are going to learn one more topic about number work, which is expanded form of a number and the place value of digits. In the previous videos we have learned how to read and write up to 7-digit numbers. First we will take a quick revision. See here, smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. Now let's see what is the expanded form of a number. You have already learned about 4-digit expanded form of a number. Tell me, what is mean by expanded form? Expanded form of a number is nothing but writing the number as the addition of the place value of its digits. So, to write the expanded form, first we have to find out the place value of the digit and then we have to add those digits. So, place value. What is the place value of a digit? The position of a digit in a number determines its value. So, let's see and write the place value of the digit and then write the expanded form. We see the example. See here, I write the expanded form of a number. I write this number 78,54,169. To write this number in its expanded form, first we write places. So, let us write the digits which are in these places. See here, 7 it is 10 lakhs place, 8 is at lakhs place, 4 is at 10,000 place, 5 is at 1,000 place, and in the 100 place 1 is there, in the tens place 6 is there, in the unit place 9 is there. So these are the number in those particular place. We call them as the face value of the number. So now let's write down the place value of these digits. See here, as number is 7 in the 10 lakh place. So the place value of 7 is 70 lakh. Then 8. 8 is at lakh place. Its place value is 8 lakh. 5. 5 is at 10,000 place. Its place value is 50,000. 4. 4 is at 1,000 place. Its place value is 4,000. 1. 1 is in 100 place. Its place value is 100. 6. 6 is in the tens place. So it's 60. 9. 9 is the unit place. So it is 9. Now see, expanded form. Expanded form is nothing but the adding all the place value. Let's add. So we can write like this. First we write the number and we write all the place value in the addition form. See here. First is 70 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 9. See here. Whenever we write the expanded form, there is a confusion or student make a mistake while they writing a place value, that how many zeros we have to write after the digit. So we will understand how many zeros we have to put. See here, first we will see 7. 7 is there. Which is the place of 7? 7 is at 10 lakh place. After that we will count the remaining digit. Just count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After counting we will add these 6. How many digits are there? 6 digits. So we will write 6 zeros after 7. See here. Then second one is 8. And after 8, how many digits are there? 5 digits. So we write 5 zeros after 8. Next one is 5. After 5, how many digits? 4 digits. So we write here 4 zeros after 5. Then next one is 4. After 4, there are 3 digits. So we write here 30 after 4. Then 1. After 1, how many digits? 2 digits. So we write here 2 zeros. Next is 6. And after 6, there is only 1 digit. So we write here 1 0 after 6. Last one is 9. We simply write here 9 because there is no digit after 9. Now let's see one more example. Here the number is 70,44,205. See here, 7 is at 10 lakhs place, so its place value is 70 lakh. And in the lakh place, 0 is there, so place value of 0 is 0. There is no need to write. 4 is in the 10,000 place, its place value is 40,000. 4 is in the 1,000 place, its place value is 4,000. 2 is in the 100 place, so it is 200, as 0 is there in the unit place, so place value of 0 is 0. Now 5 is in the unit place, it is 5, so it is 70 lakh 40,000 4,205. One more thing, see here, 4 is at 1,000 place and 4 is also the 10,000 place. What will be the face value of 4 in those places? Its face value is 4 at those places, 10,000 and 1,000 place. Till how we have learned? We learn how to write number in the expanded form. Now we learn how to write the number from the expanded form. See the examples. See, first example is here. This is 40 lakh, 5 lakh, 4,306. Here expanded form of a number is given. We have to write it in number form. So see here, 40 lakh. 40 lakh means 4 in the 10 lakh place. 5 lakh. 5 lakh means 5 in the lakh place. Then there is 0 in the 10,000 place. So we are going to put 0 in the 10,000 place. See, in the expanded form, 10,000 number is missing. So we write here 0 in the 10,000 place. Then 4,000. 4 is in the 1,000 place. 300. 300 means 3 in the 100 place. Then here tens number is missing. So we put 0 in the tens place. Then 6. 6 in the unit place. So see, how can we write this expanded form in its number? See here, 45 lakh 4,306. Now after that we see the problem set. Problem set 5. See question number 1. Write the place value of the underlined digit. What does it mean? It means we have to find out the place value of the underlined digit. Here 7 is underlined. So which place is 7? See, this is unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 7 is at 10 lakh place. Its place value is 70 lakh. Now see in the second. Here 4 is underlined. So which place is 4? Unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. 4 is at lakh place. So its place value is 4 lakh. Then see the next one. Next, in the next, 5 is underlined. Which place is 5? Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 5 is at 10,000 place. Its place value is 50,000. Now here 0 is underlined and its place, which place is 0? Unit. Its place value is 0. Then in the last one, see here 9 is underlined and 9 is at which place? 10,000 place. So its place value is 90,000. Now see the question number 2. Write the number in the expanded form. Here we have to write the number in its expanded form. See here. First, see how can we read this number? See, 56 lakh 43,250. 56 lakh. 56 lakh means 50 lakh plus 6 lakh. So, place value of 5 is 50 lakh and place value of 6 is 6 lakh. Then 40,000, 3,000, 200, then 10 and then 5. So we write the expanded form of this number as, see here, 50 lakh, 6 lakh, 40,000, 3,000, 200, 10, 5. Now see the next one. Next is 70,815. See here, 7 it has 10,000 place. Its place value is 70,000. On the 10,000 place, 0 is there. So there is no need to write 0 in the place value. Then 815. See its expanded form. 70,810 plus 5. Now see the next one. Next is 8,35,999. So its place values, 8 is at lakh place. Its place value is 8 lakh 30,005,999. Then see the next one. Next is 8,88,889. 8 is at 10 lakh place. Its place value is 8 lakh. Then 8 in the 10,000 place. Its place value 80,000. Then this 8,889. So its expanded form is, see, 8 lakh plus 80,000 plus 8,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 9. Now see the next one. Next is 92 lakh 32,999. So see, 9 is at 10 lakh place. So its place value is 90 lakh. Then 2 is at lakh place. Its place value is 2 lakh. Then 3 is at 10,000 place. Its place value is 30,000. Then 2,000, 900, 90 plus 2. After that, we see the next question. See here. Write the place name and the place value of each digit in the following number. See here, what we have to do? Here, first we read the number and write its place name and then its place value. See here, this is 35,705. Here 3 is 10,000 place, so its place name is 10,000 and its place value is 30,000. Then 5 is at 1,000 place, its place name 1,000 and its place value is 5,000. Next is 7 is at 100 place, its place name is 100 and its place value is 700. Then 0 is in the tens place, its place value is 0. Then 5 is in the unit place, its place value is 5. Now see the next question. See here, this is 7,82,899. 7 is at lakh place, its place value is 7 lakh. 8 10,000 place, its place value is 80,000. 2,000 2,800. 9 in the tens place, its place value is 90. Then 9 in unit place, its place value is 9. Now see the next one. See here, this is 82,74,508. Here 8 is 10 lakh place, its place value is 80 lakh. 2 is in the lakh place, its place value is 2 lakh. 7 in the 10,000 place, its place value 70,000. 4 in the 1,000 place, its place value 4,000. 5 in the 100 place, its place value 500. 0 in the tens place, its place value is 0. Then 8 in the unit place, so it is 8. See question number 4. The expanded form of a number is given. Write the number. Here expanded form is given. We have to write this expanded form in its number form. See first one. First is 60,000, 4,679. Here 60,000 and 4,000. This become a 64,679. Second one. Second is 9,20,000, 7,805. There is no tens, so we put 0 in the tens place. See, 9,27,805. Next is 20 lakh, 3 lakh, 60,000, 9,510, 7. So this will become a 23,69,517. Next is 7,80,000, 4,500. We have to write 2 zeros after 5 because there is no tens and units. So this will become a 7,84,500. Next is, see, last one is 80 lakh, 50,000, 1,609. Here there is no lakh place and tens place. So we write 0 in those places. See, this is 80 lakh, 51,609. So here we have completed one more problem set 5. Now see the homework. What you have to do here? See, write the number in their expanded form. You have to write these all number in their expanded form. So in this video, what we learn? We learn how to write number in the expanded form, place value, face value, and write the number from its expanded form. So we will see in the next